Finally, something that's not headphones. Hi there, Tony here. In this video we're going to unbox the Corsair RM 550X. But before we do so, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, ring the bell to get notified for all the future videos we're having, and also do not forget that's extremely important, do not forget to destroy the like button. So let's get down to business. Right, so some of you may be asking what's so exciting about a power supply and why you should be doing a dedicated video for that. So the reason is very simple. A good power supply is like an investment. It's really a long-term investment. That particular power supply has 10 years of warranty. So if you're changing your computer every 3 to 4 years, you may not need to change your power supply. For your next 3 PCs, you may not need to change your power supply. You only have this one, and that's a good power supply. Secondly is how efficient it is. That particular one is certified with 80% gold standard. And the third one, which is also very important, is how loud it is. That particular one is very silent. So let's proceed with the unboxing. For that I need my trusty Ferramonti. Okay. So we have like this kind of manual, and that's a small forest if you ask me. Some information manuals, a power supply, standard power supply cable, cable ties, a nice sticker, 4 black screws, I really like when the power supplies the cables come with such pack. So here are all the cables. Okay. One thing which I forgot to mention during the intro is that this power supply is also modular. It's 100% modular. So that means that you select only the cables that you desire. You just stick them there. That's very good for extra cable management. So yeah, what it has is the 24-pin power supply. It has 6 SATA connectors, several PCI Express cards, and also it has a floppy connector. So some of you that are quite younger may ask, what's a floppy connector? That's used for these fellas. So that's a diskette, and you are using it to power the drive that was used for that. If this video gets like 100 likes, we're going to show you what a floppy is. Right, so here are some of the additional specifications. How much amps do we have for each rail? All the information can be found on the Corsair site, and you'll get additional information there. So here are the 3 positive things about the Corsair RM 550X and the 3 negative things. The 3 positives are 10 years of warranty, really a long-term investment power supply. Second is the efficient 80% gold standard. And the third one, that is fully modular, so you can really decide which cables you need and which you don't. The negative things are, I really cannot think about many of the negatives. The only one that I can say is that it's far more expensive than a normal power supplies, but quality is always been more expensive. So what do you think about the Corsair RM 550X? Do you like the idea to buy a power supply that's going to be with you for the long run, or you prefer to buy cheap ones? Leave a comment and share your opinion on that. I was your host Tony. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, destroy the like button, and see us in the next video. Take care.